Henry. Thank you for joining. I'm so happy to see you all here today. Now I would like to introduce today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will take our painting journey to the entire world. We will pay our tribute to our home, our blue planet, because this is World Environment Day painting. Don't miss out this amazing painting and story. Watch this video till the end. You're going to experience a heart-wrenching painting on this World Environment Day. Friends, how do you feel about the paintings from our World Tour series? Well, we have painted so many paintings of so many countries. Till now, we have talked about so many cultures and places of so many people. And I must say that I really, enjoy this, and this is truly incredible. What is your take on this? Do you like this series? Well, I wish to continue this for many days to come. Traveling to places through paintings. We are in. But this time, friends, it is going to be a heart-wrenching experience. We will experience what our Mother Earth is experiencing. Not any country, but we will take our responsibilities towards this entire planet we call home. Friends, since World Environment Day is approaching soon, so it is our utmost duty to remind ourselves that through all this thick and thin of daily lives, we must remember to take care of our home, a bigger home, our sweetheart, Mother Earth. So as an artist, I chose my way. Here's the painting, which is inspired by imagination with a little bit of, you can say, reality. The way we are treating our home, it may soon result in this scene. I will not describe this scene though, but we ourselves will think, look at the painting, and take our decision on what we want to be our home life. And as you know, as an artist, the most important thing is the vision and the story, which is much needed in the painting rather than technique. Though techniques are the things that literally teaches us how to portray the ABCs of painting, but if the painting is not talking to you, what's the point? It's like, you say hello to a friend and sit back and silently. Acrylics on paper, it is as always. Detailed work needs to be observed. Friends, World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June every year. It was first held in 1974. It has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for every public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for businesses, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. Friends, it was first launched by United Nations General Assembly in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. However, it was first observed in United States in 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. It's one of the biggest and most important events organized by the UN with fresh and relevant themes every year. Various countries celebrate and host the event each year. Our planet is an amazing place, friends, but it needs our help to thrive. For healthy life, the environment plays an important role. It provides us air, food, etc. And someone, I think rightly said that the difference between animals and humans is that the animals change themselves for the environment, but humans change the environment for themselves. So, World Environment Day urges us all to protect our natural surroundings. The environment around us is full of amazing features also. Humans impact on physical environment in many ways. Overpopulation, pollution, burning fossil fuels, and deforestation. Changes like these have triggered climate change, soil erosion, poor air quality, and undrinkable water. These negative impacts can affect human behavior and can prompt mass migration or battles over clean water also. Environmental degradation is one of the largest threats also, friends, that are being looked at in the world today. Plants and creatures are evident parts of the environment, but it also includes the things on which they depend on. For example, like streams, lakes, soils. Climate change scientists don't like to use the term prediction. Rather, they are making projections about the future of the planet as sea level rise, wildlife fires sweeps the west, and hurricanes become more ferocious, etc. I wish really, friends, we could know that what the future will bring. But no one knows for sure how global warming will play out. There could be long periods of low rainfall in a particular region. The western United States is one of the areas that is at particular risk of widespread drought. Another consequence is the rise of sea level. Over the next several decades, sea level will probably rise about 10 to 20 centimeters. This may not sound like much, but it may cause extensive damage. Besides drought and sea level rise, there are a variety other changes around the world. There might be intense heat waves, increased incidences of infectious and respiratory diseases, changes in ecosystem, particularly at higher latitude, and loss of biodiversity. These are just to name a few. On the brighter side, please remember that none of these is inevitable. As a society, we can make choices that will avoid the serious consequences of global warming. There are simple choices that each one of us can make, like installing energy-saving light bulbs in our homes. And then there are few choices that we can make together, like choosing leaders who will insist that we figure out a way to keep carbon produced by coal-fired power plants from going into atmosphere. There is no single solution actually. There are only many small ones. And we must shift from harming the planet to healing it. Because there is only one Earth, our planet Earth. Our home, our place, as a precious anomaly in the sea of space. Well, our World Tour series will continue. We will continue to search solution, joy, happiness, everything with you all. Let's celebrate the color of life with Imagination Gallery. minutes of World Environment Day portrayal. If you like our unique painting sessions, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Wishing you an amazing week. Bye for now.